In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily read deleted messages on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings, then go to notifications, and all you have to do now is just scroll all the way down until you find WhatsApp. Here it is. And then you need to ensure that all types of notifications are enabled in here. So first off, enable allow notifications. If that switcher turned off, you can just tap on it to enable it, and then ensure that all these three check marks are placed. So getting notifications is enabled for the lock screen, notification center, and banners. And the trick here is that even the person deletes a message sent to you, you can still read it in the notifications. So we can hop out settings for now, and then we can swipe down from the top of the screen to get to notification center, and WhatsApp message will show up right there and won't be deleted even if the user deletes the message. The next thing you may try will help you to recover all deleted messages. All you have to do is just open up WhatsApp app and then go to settings. After that, select chats and then chat backup, and right here towards the top of the screen it shows you a last backup date, and if a backup was made before the message was deleted, you can easily restore it by simply reinstalling WhatsApp. Just remove WhatsApp app and then install it again, and if you want to be able to restore your current messages, just make a backup by hitting add backup now. Then just wait for it to complete, and basically that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.